What's up, everybody? Today we're testing out the DJI Pocket 2 Creator Combo for some motorbike vlogging. We're riding from our apartment at Eco Xuan here in Binh Duong to Aeon Mall Canary just down the street. Let's see how it handles the ride.
Wow, is that guy new? He doesn't look familiar. Either he's new or he grew that mustache recently. Alright, testing out the Pocket 2 for motorbike vlogging to see if we can actually hear the audio and how is the wind noise. Yeah, just go make it, let's see. Yeah, I think U-turn, right? Damn, we missed the red light. We'll have to wait for the next one. Or we can just go all the way over. Like this. We got it.
The traffic here is wild, especially with all these motorbikes and all the big giant trucks from the nearby industrial zone. Binh Duong has one of the highest numbers of motorbikes per capita in the country. It's definitely super busy around here.
It smells like a garbage truck, right? For steam inhalation use. Wonder what that is. I've tried to like mount the Pocket 2 like on the handlebars, but it can't handle the vibration. It's like way too shaky. the only way to do it is somebody has to hold it. Is that the same place, BV Saigon? Maybe.
I don't think so, because on the box it says only one location.
Maybe they're like copies.
Yeah. Different name. Oh, we already noticed that.
I never even saw that glasses place on that corner before. Those horns are so loud. I think this is the biggest mall in Saigon, probably. This one or that other Aeon, or Aeon, however you say it. I think so. I'm not sure, to be honest. Giga Mall has more floors, but this is longer.
Xin mời nhấn nút để lấy thẻ. Xin mời mời vào.
Free parking. Damn, Starbucks sounds good.
Not then sorry.
All right, switching off the Pocket 2 phone.